Good day, children. Welcome for today's video lesson about energy transformation. With me, Teacher J, your science teacher for today. Energy plays an important part of our daily living. We use energy to produce the electricity we need for our homes, schools, for lighting and appliances. Most of our appliances, gadgets, and instruments work because of electricity, such as radio, TV, cell phone, electric guitar, and others. Through this, we can listen to our favorite songs, play video games, and listen to the news update. So, for you to learn more about other forms of energy transformation, you will perform and answer all these activities involving energy transformation from electricity to sound, then to heat energy. Enjoy!
In this lesson, we have 4 learning objectives. First, demonstrate how electrical energy can be transformed into sound energy. Second, demonstrate how electrical energy can be transformed into heat. Third, infer how electricity can be transformed into sound, then to heat. Fourth, construct a diagram showing energy transformations of electricity to sound and to heat. Before we proceed, I want you to try answering these questions about energy transformation. Directions. Identify what is asked or described in each item. Write the letter of the correct answer in your notebook. Number 1. Which situation shows energy transformation involving electrical energy? A. Watching television. B. Setting up a bonfire. C. Lighting up the candle. D. Ironing of clothes with charcoal. Number 2. Which picture does not show an energy transformation from electrical to sound? Picture A, Picture B, Picture C, Picture D. Number 3. All of the following devices transform electrical energy into heat except A. Fire alarm, B. Flat iron, C. Glue gun, D. Soldering iron. Which process in using a glue gun acquires heat? A. Using a glue stick without the glue gun. B. Plugging the glue gun with a switch off. C. Using the glue gun until the glue stick melts. D. Unplugging the glue gun from the electric outlet. Number 5. Which situation shows an energy transformation from electrical to sound, then to heat? A. Turning on the lamp. B. Lighting up a candle with a matchstick. C. Using a cell phone and listening to music for a long time. D. All of the situations show an energy transformation from electrical to heat. This time, let us have the unlocking of difficult terms used in this lesson. Electricity is the energy carried by moving electrons in an electric conductor. Sound is produced when a force causes an object or substance to vibrate. Heat is an energy that is transferred from one object to another due to difference in temperature. Now, children, it's explore time. Get ready for the activities that you are going to perform. For our first activity, it is entitled Who's Calling? Material, cell phone. Procedure. First, use a cell phone. Make sure that the cell phone you will use has a mobile data with songs embedded in it. Second, if the phone has a mobile data, go to YouTube and find a song to be played. There are songs in your phone, play it. Observe what form of energy is produced. Here are the guide questions that you are going to answer in your activity notebook. Your answers will be collected and will be checked by your science teachers. Number 1. Where did the cell phone get its energy? Number 2. What form of energy did the batteries provide to make the cell phone work? Number 3. What did the cell phone produce when it was being used? Number 4. What form of energy was formed when the music is being played? Number 5. What energy transformation took place in the cell phone when music is played? What a great job, children! Sustain your energy as we move on to our next activity. Our second activity is entitled Iron Your Clothes. Sounds interesting. Surely your mother will be happy that you want to know how to iron clothes. Materials: flat iron or plancha and a piece of cloth. Procedure: first, ask help from an adult to get a flat iron and a piece of cloth to be ironed. Second, plug in the flat iron to the electric outlet. Ask help from an adult to do the task for you. Third, let the appliance work for a minute. Observe what happens. Fourth, get a piece of cloth and iron it. Feel the temperature while you are doing the task. Describe what you feel. Caution: do not touch the hot surface of the flat iron. Now, I want you to answer the following guide questions in your activity notebook. Your answers will be collected and will be checked by your science teachers. Number 1. What form of energy did the flat iron acquire when it was plugged into the outlet? Number 2. What did you observe when a flat iron was used in ironing clothes? Number 3. What form of energy did the flat iron produce? Number 4. What energy transformation took place when the flat iron was being used? Congrats, children! Now transform your energy as we proceed to our last activity. Our last activity is entitled Leisure Time. Enjoy while discovering something. Again, you'll be using your cell phone. Procedure: first, use a cell phone. Make sure that it has a full charge battery. Second, pick a game application in the phone and play it, or select a song embedded in your phone and listen to it. Set it to your desired volume. Third, do this for about 15 minutes or 30 minutes. Fourth, after this activity, feel the cell phone. Observe what happened. Again, answer the following guide questions in your activity notebook. Your answers will be collected and will be checked by your science teachers. Number 1. What made the cell phone work? Number 2. What form of energy did the battery acquire? Number 3. What form of energy did your cell phone produce when you played a game or listened to music? Number 4. What did you observe with your cell phone after using it? Number 5. What form of energy did the cell phone have after using it? Number 6. What energy transformation took place in the cell phone while you were using it? For number 7, you will construct a diagram showing how energy is transformed from electricity to sound energy, then to heat. Use arrows and shapes to show the energy transformation. Provide a label for the diagram based from the activity you perform. Use a waveline to show the heat released. This will be your guide in constructing your diagram. Draw well. Congratulations, children! You've successfully accomplished all our activities. Exactly at the end. Way to go! This time, I want you to share your insights by completing the sentence prompts. Your answers will be collected and will be checked by your science teachers. For the first part, I have learned that. For the second part, I wish to ask my teacher about. Alright, children, this time let's have this enrichment activity for you to apply all your learnings. Directions. You will cite other activities showing the transformation of energy from electricity to sound energy then to heat. Construct a diagram showing how energy transforms from electricity to sound energy then to heat. Use arrows and shapes to show the energy transformation. Provide a label of the diagram based from the situation you cited. Use wavelines to show the heat released. Your diagram will be rated using the rubrics. Your diagram will be rated using the rubrics. Criteria: accuracy, technical drawings or sketches, labeling. For mastery, 25 points, satisfactory 20 points, basic 15 points, poor 5 points. Enjoy! And now, children, before we assess what you have learned, keep the following concepts in mind. Energy can be transformed from electrical energy to sound energy. Examples: electric guitar, radio, TV. These instruments produce sound because of electricity. Sound gives people information. For example, a doctor listens to the sound of our chest to know what is happening in our lungs. The sound of a car's horn will tell us that there is an incoming vehicle. Electricity provides appliances to make sound. Some appliances make sound to serve as a warning. Electric fan has a humming sound while it is rotating. Jackhammer makes a loud sound. Machines in a factory make sound. Batteries in a cell phone also provide electricity. Some appliances produce heat to function. Some will produce heat when they are used for a long period. This shows that energy is transformed from electricity to heat. Examples: use of light bulb, watching TV, using of electric fan. So, are you ready? Let's answer this 10 items test. Directions. Select the best answer and write the letter of your choice in your notebook. Your answers will be collected. Will be checked by your science teachers. Number 1. Which of the following device transforms electrical into sound energy? A. Flat iron, B. Glue gun, C. Lamp, D. Radio. Number 2. What energy transformation is involved when you are listening to music on the radio? A. Sound to light, B. Electrical to light, C. Sound to electrical, D. Electrical to sound. Number 3. Which situation shows an energy transformation from electrical to sound? A. Creating noise, B. Rubbing of palms, C. Burning of leaves, D. Listening to news on the radio. Number 4. Which of the following situations does not show an energy transformation from electrical to sound? A. Lighted lamp. B. Radio broadcast. C. Ringing telephone. D. Talking robot. Number 5. Which situation shows an energy transformation from electrical to sound while watching TV? A. Switching off the TV. B. Watching TV in mute mode. C. Raising the volume of the TV. D. Both A and B. Number 6. Which of the following situations does not show an energy transformation from electrical to heat when you use a cell phone? A. Charging a cell phone for a minute. B. Using the flashlight of the cell phone. C. Watching videos from the cell phone for an hour. D. Keeping the cell phone in off mode for a long period of time. Number 7. Which picture shows an energy transformation from electrical to heat? Picture A. Picture B. Picture C. Picture D. Number 8. Which of the following situations does not show an energy transformation from electrical to heat? A. Using a cell phone for an hour. B. Using a candle to light a dark room. C. Using a glue gun in making a project. D. Using a hair styling flat iron to straighten hair. Number 9. What energy transformation occurs in a speaker when it is on and used for a period of time? A. Heat to light to sound. B. Electrical to light to heat. C. Sound to electrical to heat. D. Electrical to sound to heat. Number 10. Which of the following situations does not show an energy transformation from electrical to sound to heat? A. Shouting for 10 minutes. B. Using a speaker for a whole day. C. Watching a TV show half of the day. D. Listening to a radio broadcast for a long time. Wow! Congratulations, my dear children. Thanks for watching.